Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo camera with the red LED or red light, all right? So here I have the Tapo C100, that's the model, but it's the same for other Tapo cameras. If you have a red light like this, you just need to connect to your router because the camera is trying to connect to your router, is not working. Then you can just reload your router, try to connect to a new one as well using the reset button here, okay? So let me just do one thing at a time. I will just reload my router here and wait for it to connect and see if it connects. And if it doesn't, I can just reset the camera and start over, right? Let me just reload my router here. There we go, see the red LED. Let's just wait for the router to reload. I just powered off and powered on again. Let's just wait. There we go, guys. It's now connecting to the Wi-Fi and it's green, right? So it's basically working. I got a notification here on my cell phone. I just put a camera here. Well, let me just show you the way it works when you need to reset. So here I have a reset button. If you just reload your router, it's not working for you. You just need to use something to reset the camera. Let me just do this. So basically here, gonna press the button and hold for a while. There we go.
Reset successful.
You see it's flashing red. The LED is flashing red. I see here the infrared lights, and I just need to wait to go away, and the camera will be ready for a new setup. And you can also hear the camera talking to you, right? So now it's blinking here, red and green. As long as you have the LED flashing here, red and green, you're okay for the setup. So let's just grab my cell phone here. And I'm going to set up the camera. You see here, that's still blinking. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you see better. There we go. Bring the Tapo app again. In here, I'll just get into the camera. I need to add a new device here. Tapo C100. There we go. It's basically flashing green and red. And I need to connect to the camera directly to the Wi-Fi, right? So just come here to the Wi-Fi and look for the camera. I don't see here yet. Let's just wait for it to load. There we go, Tapo Cam. So I connect to the Tapo Cam and come back here. And found it. Good. Now I just need to insert the username and password, the network and the password, right? I can change if I want to. That's the one for my router and that's the password, it's correct. Just hit next. Confirm here. Just wait for it to connect. There we go.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, so it's connected now. I can just rename my camera here. Hit next. And it's already connected to Alexa. Next again. Choose the icon here for the camera. Next. And you see the status here changes to green. I just put the camera back there. There we go, guys. There we go. It sounds good here. I don't want to plan. Got it. Got it, firmware update, and the camera's working, right? So it gets the first image that was looking before, and now it's live. And there we go. So now it's working, okay? So basically now you know when the camera, when the Tapo camera has the red LED or red light. You just need to reload your router first. If that doesn't work, then you reset your camera. The LED is going to start blinking or flashing red and green. Then you just follow the process here and you're good to go, okay? So I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.